Okay, hello everyone. So in this short video, I will show how to use or how to run the Jupyter Notebook directly from the Apache Airflow. The Apache Airflow here is configured as in the previous videos on the WSL, so Windows Subsystem for Linux. And for the need of this video, I prepared this short and pretty simple notebook. It's in the notebooks folder, so no new folder, and the data are from the publicly available data from the Polish government. We are doing here a few transformations, like translating the names of the column to the English names. We are doing some sorting, some frequency sorting, some iLog and so on. And that's not very important because, as I told, the main goal of this video is to show how to properly call the maybe not even properly, but what is one of the simplest way to run the Jupyter Notebook from the Apache Airflow from the DAG and still make it pretty much controllable and understandable. So yeah. So yeah, in our DAG we've got the few functions. As you can see, only 3 tasks because this DAG is pretty easy. It just the first task is just clean the all data from the data folder. The second one is importing it from the website which I already mentioned. So the Polish government publicly available data. It's not important, to be honest, because as I told, the notebook is pretty simple. It's not rocket science. And here is how the data is, how data looks like. So basically, in the first column we've got the name. The second column is the sex of the person who get this name, and the third column is number of occurrences of this particular name in Poland. It's those data are for the whole country in 2023. So yeah, and what we can say is that the final goal of our notebook uh, of our pandas functions are to find the most popular and the least popular names in Poland in 2023. I'm using pandas, so as you can see, you can install it on your computer as well. Of course, it has to be done inside your Airflow environment, so remember to activate it, and then you can install the pip install pandas. Okay, and as you can see, maybe as I told, because basically we are changing or we treat the notebook as the JSON, and this is the idea taken from the Stack Overflow question, right? It just slightly changed and wrapped into the function. Yeah, it's from this question, and as you can see, we've got few different ways of calling the Jupyter Notebook out from the different script, but the first one, so the NB converter, does not work on the Apache with the Apache Airflow. So that's why we are using or why we use JSON. Maybe not even JSON, in fact, but we use this function to treat the notebook like a JSON. But this is the important take. If we check the Jupyter Notebook with any text editor, then we'll see that it's in fact JSON. So Jupyter Notebook is just a JSON with these different cell types, and the most popular is the cell type code. And in the source, we've got the part which stands for the code, right? And this is the whole logic. So that's why we can use this. Yeah, and as you can see, the NeoVim tells us that this is the JSON file. Yeah. So as we have this prepared, we can run the task. Of course, I tested it already, so everything should be okay. And yeah, the final output should be the just the file, the text file with the most popular and least popular, 3 most popular and 3 less popular names for the girls and for the boys. I started the task. And as you can see, we do not have the output here, even with the fact that we've got with open output.txt something, so it should be here, but or maybe it looks like it should be here, but it's not, because it's in the place where the file was executed, so on our WSL. And here we've got the output. We can see that, for example, Nicodem is the most popular name and for the boys, and Zofia is most popular names for the girls, and 2023 in Poland. Yeah, and to be honest, that's pretty much everything. This is a very short tutorial, just will show you how you can do this. Of course, the code, the link to the repository will be in the description, and that's it.